Imagine unlocking indicators so powerful, they don't just show you where the market is heading, they predict it with stunning accuracy. In today's video, I'm revealing 8 high-winning rate TradingView indicators that pro traders swear by. These aren't just flashy tools, they're precision weapons designed to catch perfect entries, minimize false signals, and secure big profits. Whether you're a beginner or an expert trader, these indicators could be your secret edge to consistently beating the markets. Without wasting any time, let's uncover the first indicator on my list: Zero Lag MA Trend Levels, Chart Prime. If you're still using a moving average in your trading, stop. This advanced tool is 10 times more effective and accurate. The Zero Lag MA Trend Levels indicator combines a zero lag moving average with a standard exponential moving average to provide you with a precise view of market trends. This indicator is particularly useful for detecting shifts in trend momentum, as it uses a dynamic color-changing cloud that signals potential reversals or continuation points. When a trend change occurs, it plots key levels, known as trend level boxes, that highlight significant price zones, which can act as support or resistance. One of the unique features of this indicator is its ability to mark retests of these levels with visual labels, such as triangles. This makes it easier for you to spot potential entry or exit points. The color coding for upward and downward trends further simplifies the process of analyzing momentum at a glance, making this tool invaluable for both trend following and counter-trend strategies. Zero Lag MA trend levels work great on all time frames. Currently, I am on the Bitcoin 15-minute chart. Let me show you a strategy that almost never loses. For this strategy, we'll need one more tool: the Fibonacci retracement with only 2 levels, 0.618 and 0.382. Here's how to find a profitable buy setup. First, check the chart for a bullish retest signal. Second, draw a fib level from the recent swing low to the recent swing high. During the box retest, the price must also retest one of these 2 Fibonacci levels. In this setup, the 0.618 level was retested perfectly. A buy trade is initiated on the next candlestick with a stop loss set below the trend box and a target of 2 times the risk. The rules for a sell position are the exact inverse. Traders, if the next indicator doesn't blow your mind, I really don't know what will. This script is called the IQ Toolkit, and it's mega powerful. It has been developed by a team of highly skilled traders to give you the edge you're looking for. With this indicator, you can build any strategy that suits your trading style. It works in all time frames and markets. What elevates the IQ kit above the rest is its wide-ranging approach to price analysis and smart risk management system. While other indicators focus on limited areas of market activity, the IQ tool provides a broader view unavailable to 90% of retail traders. It combines price action analysis, precise trend recognition, and in-depth volume analysis, producing a more accurate view of the market than any single indicator out there. Here's an excellent 15-minute time frame strategy with the IQ kit. For this strategy, I suggest adding another powerful indicator from the Chart Prime Plus library, the Prime Oscillator Pro Plus. By the way, all these premium tools come in one package, which is a fantastic deal. All right, let's customize the IQ kit for this particular strategy. Open the indicator's inputs and enable the 1-hour supply and demand. Disable the order blocks. For a long trade, check the Prime Oscillator Pro for an oversold signal and a bullish divergence. Next, look for a long signal on the chart. Ensure that the price is at the demand level at the time of the signal. Open a long trade and set the stop loss at the recommended price and watch the profits roll in. Click the link in the description and get the IQ Toolkit risk-free. Next up on my list is Session Range Breakouts with Targets. This indicator works in the 5-minute time frame. Session Range Breakouts with Targets highlights key breakout levels from major trading sessions, such as Asian, American, and European, while also allowing for custom sessions. This tool adapts to market volatility, using the average true range to calculate dynamic price zones, making it highly effective at filtering false breakouts and identifying profitable trade opportunities. The indicator creates upper and lower boundaries based on the high and low of a trading session. A breakout from these boundaries signals potential trade entries. Then it calculates up to 3 take-profit targets for both bullish and bearish breakouts using ATR multipliers. This ensures you have both conservative and aggressive target options. To cancel 90% of false breakout signals, we need to incorporate another indicator. The indicator I'm talking about is called the Linear Regression Channel by Chart Prime. Once installed on the chart, open its settings and change the deviation to 5. This will widen the channel. The idea is to cancel all breakout signals that occur outside the channel. For example, a bullish breakout will be considered false if the closing price is above the upper channel band. On the other hand, if the price is within the channel at the time of a breakout, the signal is considered legitimate. Just look at how many false signals could have been eliminated. Trading is about winning by not taking unnecessary losses. This is exactly what we're doing with this strategy. Traders, if you're enjoying the video so far, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. The next indicator on my list is called the Market Slayer. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a bustling marketplace, and every trader is armed with their unique strategy, but one of them is holding a secret weapon, the Market Slayer. This indicator doesn't just sit quietly in the corner of your chart. It works tirelessly in the background, blending the power of moving averages with the insight of the shaft trend cycle. Think of it as your personal guide that whispers, "Now's the time," when the short-term moving average sneaks above the long-term one, signaling you to jump in. But it's not just about catching trends. This indicator also has a keen sense for risk. When the market shifts and it's time to protect your profits, the indicator nudges you with clear take-profit alerts. Its visual cues for trend direction changes feel almost like road signs on the market's winding path. And with customizable alerts that let you know exactly when these key moments happen, you'll never have to keep a constant eye on the charts. Market Slayer's got your back. As the indicator signals do not alternate, you will be able to catch a bigger chunk of an ongoing trend and profit like never before. Save this tool to your collection, and let's explore the next indicator on my list. I know many of you like the RSI indicator, but what if I told you I had found something much better? Introducing the RSI Kernel Optimized. This indicator is an advanced version of the classic relative strength index. It integrates a statistical tool called kernel density estimation, which helps identify key turning points or pivots in the market. These pivots are essential because they signal potential trend reversals, making it easier for you to know when to buy or sell. In simple terms, it represents the likelihood that the current candlestick is forming a pivot point based on historical data patterns. A low percentage suggests a lower probability of the current candlestick being a pivot point. In these cases, price action is less likely to reverse, and existing trends may continue. At moderate levels, the possibility of a pivot increases, indicating potential trend shifts or consolidations. You should monitor closely for confirmation signals. An even higher percentage suggests a strong likelihood that the current candlestick could form a pivot point, which could lead to a reversal or significant price movement. These points often align with overbought or oversold conditions in traditional RSI analysis, making them key moments for potential trade entry or exit. The indicator even includes visual aids like arrows to mark bullish or bearish signals, and you can customize it to match your strategy. It works well in combination with order blocks, support and resistance, or fair value gaps. The next indicator I'm about to show you will truly surprise you with its accuracy. It's called the ICT Turtle Soup indicator. This powerful tool is engineered to automate the well-known inner circle trader turtle soup strategy. This strategy focuses on exploiting false breakouts at key liquidity zones where many traders place their stop losses. These liquidity areas can be identified on higher time frames, such as previous highs or lows, and are key zones for potential market reversals. The turtle soup setup involves waiting for a liquidity sweep, where price temporarily breaks through these levels, followed by a market structure shift in the opposite direction. This shift confirms the new trend, signaling the optimal entry point for a trade. The indicator simplifies the complex steps of this strategy by marking out liquidity zones, detecting these liquidity sweeps, and identifying when market structure shifts occur. It also provides customizable alerts, take profit and stop loss placements based on the trader's risk appetite, and a backtesting feature to evaluate performance on historical data. The indicator shows a high winning ratio on Bitcoin and Ethereum in the 15-minute time frame. For better results, I recommend combining it with trend filters and volume indicators. Next up is the support and resistance, high volume boxes indicator. This one will be super useful for those of you who prefer trading with an emphasis on price action. The indicator plots support and resistance boxes based on pivot points and volume above threshold for positive volume boxes and below the lower threshold for negative volume boxes. Boxes are color-coded based on the amount of volume. The indicator gives hold signals in a form of a diamond. Green diamonds indicate when support holds, signaling potential buy opportunities. Red diamonds indicate when resistance holds, signaling potential sell opportunities. If the price falls below a support level, that level will become resistance. Conversely, if the price rises above a resistance level, it will often become support. As the price moves past a level of support or resistance, it is thought that supply and demand have shifted, causing the breached level to reverse its role. These breakout signals can be very powerful, especially when combined with other technical analysis tools. For instance, this indicator works very well with the adaptive trend finder. The rules for a buy trade are as follows. First, an adaptive trend finder should be ascending. Second, the price should break above resistance with high volume. Place a stop loss below the resistance zone. Target is no less than 1.5 times the risk. I have prepared something really special for the last indicator. Hold on tight. Introducing the AI-powered breakout with advanced features. The accuracy of this indicator's signals truly blows my mind. It works in lower time frames like 5 and 15 minutes. What sets this tool apart is its ability to adapt to market conditions using artificial intelligence. It tracks pivot highs and lows to identify significant support and resistance levels, helping you spot bullish or bearish breakouts. A key feature of this indicator is its adaptive moving average, which adjusts based on the difference between fast and slow exponential moving averages. This makes it more responsive to market shifts, providing more accurate signals for entering or exiting trades. Visual elements such as horizontal lines and arrows on the chart make it easy to interpret. To increase signal accuracy even further, I suggest adding a long-term EMA to the chart. The AI-powered breakout can be a great leading indicator based on which you can craft a highly profitable trading strategy. Try it out. And there you have it, the 8 high-performing indicators on TradingView you need to become profitable. Let us know your thoughts and ideas in the comments.